Hi teacher, my name is Yedel from Cybersecurity 2103 and I'm going to tell you all the things I did in assignments 5 and 6. And let's get started. Here you can see assignment 6 PDF and I've already opened it. And lab 5, configure and print and document services. And the first of all I installed, I pressed manage tab, then I add roles and features. In server roles, I chose the download, print, and document service tools and print server in order to manage multiple amount of printer servers and migrate them. And here you can see I installed all the things required. Here you can see I installed feature installation and so on. After installing the print services, we must use print management panel or tool to configure them. Print management is a feature in Windows Server 2022 that facilitates centralized management and administration of printers and print servers in the network settings. It presents a user-friendly graphical interface for managing printers, print drivers, print queues, and print jobs. And here you can see exercise 5 and 2, installing printers and deploying using a shift directory. I will not read all the stuff because it's very boring. Just I will say that I did all the things that required. Add printer, I pressed a new printer using Exciting port LPD1 in his example, and the printer driver and so on, printer MS Publisher Color printer, and tap click next. After this I shared the name, it's called MSC Color. Click next, and finished. And after that I MS Publisher and image setter. I installed it. Click text and finished it. After that I click right button of the mouse and enter to the list of the in directory of MS Color. Deploy with group policy and so on. Okay. All the requirements are done. After that I just in my local server I find the name printer, MS Color, and connected it. Added printer and so on. Added check name and so on. It's just I did all the steps by the guides that showed in the requirements. Lab challenge, creating a printer pool and so on, and I did all the things by the guidance. I will not record this for 7 minutes because of limitation of Moodle. It can take only 40 megabytes on I don't know, but it's very limited thing. And so on. I installed and printer name and IP address. I added the printer and configured it, and so on. I did all the things that required there. Here you can see it's so on. In here you can see it's working. In conclusion, I want to say that practice 5 and 6 are offered practical learning opportunities for significant network administration tasks. specifically setting up a DHCP server on Windows Server 2022 and Windows 10 enabled us to gain knowledge and understanding of automating IP address assignments and network configuration parameters. And that's all for today, for today's tasks. And goodbye.